In a city like Austin, where homes range from sleek modern designs to classic luxury estates, homeowners are continually seeking ways to enhance their property's aesthetics, functionality, and value. When it comes to choosing windows for high-end homes, it's important to select products that not only meet your functional needs but also complement the unique style and high standards of your property. That's where Windows of Austin stands out as the smart choice for discerning homeowners. Here's why Windows of Austin is the perfect solution for luxury homes, offering superior performance, beauty, and long-term value. Unmatched quality and durability. One of the primary reasons that Windows of Austin is a top choice for high-end homes is the exceptional quality and durability of their windows. High-end homes demand windows that can stand the test of time while maintaining their performance and appearance. Windows of Austin uses premium materials such as fiberglass, vinyl, and wood-clad options, ensuring that each window is not only aesthetically pleasing but also built to last. Fiberglass windows, in particular, offer superior strength and resistance to the elements, which is ideal for Austin's fluctuating climate. These windows are built to withstand the region's heat, humidity, and storms without warping, cracking, or fading, providing long-lasting value. Vinyl windows, on the other hand, are low-maintenance, highly energy-efficient, and resistant to moisture, making them a practical choice for luxury homes. By choosing Windows of Austin, you're investing in windows that combine strength, style, and longevity, making them a smart and durable choice for high-end properties. Energy efficiency for cost-saving. High-end homes often come with a significant amount of space to heat and cool. Windows play a major role in a home's overall energy efficiency. In Austin, where the summer heat can be intense and winters are cooler but still require heating, energy-efficient windows are essential for maintaining a comfortable indoor climate without running up high energy bills. Windows of Austin offers energy-efficient windows with features such as low-E glass, double or triple glazing, and argon gas fills. These technologies help reduce heat transfer, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. By investing in energy-efficient windows, you reduce the load on your HVAC system, resulting in lower utility bills and a more comfortable living environment year-round. The long-term cost savings provided by these energy-efficient windows are especially appealing to high-end homeowners, who value both comfort and sustainability. Customization for unique design. When it comes to high-end homes, customization is key. Homeowners often want windows that reflect their personal style and match the overall architectural design of their property. Windows of Austin offers a wide range of customizable options, allowing you to select the perfect style, material, and finish to complement your home's aesthetic. Whether you prefer elegant casement windows, sleek picture windows, or classic double-hung windows, you can choose the design that best suits your vision. Additionally, Windows of Austin offers a variety of frame colors and glass types to further personalize the look of your windows. This level of customization ensures that your windows not only provide optimal performance but also enhance the beauty and character of your high-end home. Enhanced security features. For homeowners of luxury properties, security is always a top priority. High-end homes are often targeted by burglars, making it crucial to invest in windows that offer enhanced protection. Windows of Austin provides impact-resistant glass and advanced locking mechanisms designed to deter break-ins and enhance overall home security. Impact-resistant windows are built to withstand forced entry, providing added peace of mind that your home is protected from intruders. These windows are particularly beneficial for homes located in areas prone to storms, as they can also withstand extreme weather conditions, such as high winds and hail. By choosing Windows of Austin, you're investing in windows that not only provide a stylish look but also ensure the safety and security of your family and property. Maximizing natural light and views. One of the most desirable features of high-end homes is the ability to enjoy expansive views and ample natural light. Windows of Austin excels at offering large, expansive windows that allow you to maximize these elements, bringing the outdoors in and filling your home with light. Whether it's floor-to-ceiling windows, sliding glass doors, or large picture windows, these installations can create a seamless connection between your indoor living space and the natural beauty outside. Windows of Austin also provides high-quality glass that offers superior clarity, ensuring that your views are crystal clear and unobstructed. This allows you to fully appreciate your home's location and surroundings, whether you have scenic city views or serene landscapes. Increase property value. High-end homes are not just a place to live, they're an investment. The right windows can increase the market value of your property. Windows of Austin enhances both the curb appeal and functionality of your home with windows that are both energy efficient and aesthetically pleasing. This can make your property more attractive to potential buyers, should you decide to sell in the future. Windows of Austin provides products that meet the highest standards in terms of both performance and appearance, ensuring that your windows are a valuable investment that adds long-term value to your property. With energy-efficient designs, customization options, and durable materials, these windows are an attractive feature for any high-end homebuyer. Final thoughts. Windows are a critical element in any high-end home, contributing not only to the overall aesthetics but also to energy efficiency, security, and long-term value. Windows of Austin offers an unparalleled selection of high-quality, customizable windows that meet the unique needs of luxury homeowners. With energy-efficient features, durable materials, advanced security options, and beautiful designs, these windows are an investment that will improve the functionality, comfort, and appearance of your home for years to come. If you're looking to elevate your home's design while ensuring top performance, choosing Windows of Austin is the smart choice.